again. What am I doing? I am grinding bolts out of the inside of a sandblasting box. This is the original color. If I showed you outside, it's completely yellowish. Anyway, I'm grinding some bolts off here because I need to top it off. I need to take the top off and fix it, clean it up and repaint it because there's rust everywhere. Yeah, I'm repainting a sandblasting box. Well, I actually got to fix the legs because I don't want the legs to cave in. It's pretty heavy, so I am basically doing this, and I'll just give you a snippet and then I'll show you what I'm done later. So watch what I'm doing. Watch this. This and the bolt comes out. I got about 10 more to go. I'll spare you the fun excitement of watching me do this whole thing, and maybe I'll just time lapse the whole thing. But I'll record a few more. Why didn't I do this during the day? I don't know. Because I'm an idiot, maybe. There we go. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is, maybe tomorrow, I'm going to take this off of here and flip it over. And there's a outer trim that's holding it on. I don't really have to fix it. But I'm at least going to grind all the rust off the inside. I could sandblast it anyway. But I'm going to grind off the rust on the outside so that at least the outside frame doesn't come off. I'm going to take the frame off, clean it up a little, change some bolts. These are all rusted on here. I gotta cut all these off. At least I can get a better grip fit. The glass got to be changed, and these are all still good. But for the most part, needs a makeover. So I will show you the outside just in a second. Stay tuned. Anyway, if you kept on watching, I have a small cold, so you'll notice that the outside of this is not the same as the inside. That's because this thing was sitting under my back porch for a number of years. And I didn't really use it at the time, so I just left it out. I had no space for it. So I left it under my porch, and a few spots got rotten, like the legs are a little rusty. I'm probably going to change this piece or fix it or do something. But that is the original color, bright red. So I will probably clean off the outside, take all the plastic off, put some new bolts on it, and then give it a good, nice, somewhat decent color. But I want to fix the legs. That's why I want to take the top off. I'm going to take the top off, redo the legs, make sure it's all nice and fancy schmancy. I got to get all the glass out of here. And pretty much the sponge is okay, I guess. Not sure how to get this out of there, but oh well. I'll mask it off. I'll just do a quick paint it pink or something. I think I got a couple of wild colors I can paint it. Legs I'll paint blue or whatever. This is extremely similar to the Harbor Freight one, because I know they all make them the same. The only difference is this thing is made probably 3 times thicker metal than the Harbor Freight one. I know, because I went and jiggled around with it, and this is a heck of a lot better than the Harbor Freight one. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll give some more video updates on what I'm doing here. I have all the pieces. I have the gloves, the little pieces, even the brackets that were inside. The brand new brackets right here that go on the wheels, to put wheels on it, are still in the box. So if I put wheels on it, I'm gonna have to lift this cabinet up a couple inches. So anyway, enjoy. Thanks.